In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change your page name on Facebook. So I was actually trying to do this myself, and when you click right there and click on edit page information, it's actually not going to show up. You can only change your description. But in this video, I'm going to show you how you can actually change your Facebook page name. So for that, you want to go to your page, of course, and then you want to click right there on see more. So right now you'll see home, posts, and events, and you want to click on see more, and you want to click on about, which is right there. And this is where you can actually do this. Now, make sure you keep watching, because if you scroll down, right there, you'll actually find general, and then you'll find your category and your name and also a page username. That's something else. So you just want to click on name, and then right there you can find edit, click on that, and right there you can actually change your new name. Now if you click on continue right there, once you changed it, I want you to know that it's not going to change right away. You're actually gonna go into a review process. So what you can do right there, let's say that I want to change this to how to digital YouTube or YouTube channel, maybe, I don't know. This is just random, but type in that new page name that you're looking to get right there, and there are some tips right there. So you want to make sure to use a name that accurately represents what this page is about and match the name of your business, brand, or organization. And you don't want to mislead people by representing a person, a business, or organization other than your own. Don't include any variation of the word Facebook or include the word official, and use terms or phrases that may be abusive or violate someone's rights. So don't do that, of course. Make sure that it's a good name. And what you can do next is click on continue at the bottom right corner. And then what you can do, you can request a page name change. So our review may take up to 3 days and require additional information. If your name change is approved, you won't be able to unpublish the page or change the name again for 7 days. Now during this time, we may also let the people who like your page know the name has been updated. Yeah, that's it. So all you need to do is click on request change right there, and that's how you can change your page name on Facebook in 2020 and beyond. If you appreciate this quick tutorial, make sure you go ahead and leave a like. I would appreciate that. If you have any questions, you can let me know in the comments down below and I'll try and get back to you. But yeah, that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed, and then I'll see you next time. If this video helped you out, please consider subscribing to my channel to help me grow the largest how-to channel on YouTube. I appreciate it.